Hey, what's up, YouTuber? Today I decided to peel coat my truck with the peel coat from AutoZone. This is the Rust-Oleum peel coat. As you can see, my truck right now, it is really bad over here. So if this is what you're looking for, stay tuned and let's play. Alright, let's get started. So before everything, I'm going to wash this one off. This is my supply to clean up right now. So in this video, I am not trying to go too cheap and too expensive too. So I went to Walmart to get this soap right there, and then 3 different sizes of tapes. That's the high quality from Walmart, and then scraper just in case I need it. It's really bad. So, and then some heavy duty scrubbing thing, whatever, and then some dishwasher pad over here. So this should do the job, and then I'm going with the soft or whatever, and there's a plastic bag over here. So this is $34 altogether right here. And then after that, here's my base peel coat over here. There's 3 of them, but I think I'm going to use 4. So, and then since my truck is 2 color, so there is a silver one over here to make the other color in the bottom of the truck, and then there's 2 clear coat over here, the same vinyl wrap as well right there. So this color over here is going to be on this side over here. I decided I'm just going to spray the bottom one right here instead of the top one over here too. So I'm just going to put paint all this white, and then this is silver. And the bag is to cover the tire and window, and then the bumper too. That way I don't have to get it dirty. All this stuff over here, the wheel or the logo over here. Alright, let's get to clean up and wash off and get wet. Alright guys, this is the next day. It took almost all day for me to clean up yesterday. It was a lot to do. I end up using a 400 grit sandpaper like over here, but as you can still see, there is that shadow over there, over here. But it's smooth enough right now. I'm going to spray the stuff over it. It got rain on me yesterday, so I couldn't get much done. As of right now, I still gotta tape this one off right here, and maybe even the bottom over here. So today I'm going to just focus on the this side all the way out, because I don't know if I got time to do all this. I'm going to do my best to get it done right, which honestly guys, I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm only 5 foot tall, so I don't know how I'm going to reach up there. I tried to do taping yesterday. I didn't have so much hard time to reach up there. Since it rained yesterday, even through last night, so it knocked most of this tape off. I might have to redo it again. Let me get it finished wrapping up. Alright guys, I am done prepping right now. I am not done, but I'm done with the part I wanna do today because it is cold out here, and then hopefully it will work because I am too short to reach up there, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it. If you have any idea for short people, let me know in below. I will like to learn how short people get up there. So I'm just doing this mirror right now, the top one at least. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, after the 4 cans I used, it's not enough for the whole truck. And then it is too cold out here, so the paint is very runny. Hope you can see it right there, it's right there. I can't see it right now, but hope you can see it. So I only did this side from the bed to right here. As you can see, it still look bad over there, but on this side it looks good already. As you seen or you know, the bottom one, it was looking like that, but and now that's how it look like over there. So this is the only side I paint as well, and then on the top over here I didn't do it because it is too cold and I don't have enough paint. So in the bottom one I think it looks good on this side, but on the passenger side I think it looks bad like that. Oh well. That's a lot of work. Now it's time for me to do the vinyl wrap clear coat right here. Hope you can see it right there. I'm gonna do 4 layer or 5 layer. I'm gonna do it like a 2 layer, and then I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes and then do the last one. All right. Last 2 layer of clear coat. First, I'm gonna remove all the bag. The bags, they are ruining my life. Finally, guys, the city result after. This is how it look like right now. Right there. On this side didn't come out very good because I did it when it was cold and kind of wet. I don't know if you can see the difference between that and this over here. That was a couple days ago and this is today. As you can see over there, it came out very nice and clean. At the front over here, I did about 12 layer, and on this side over here, I did about 8 layer right here, and you can see the difference. It's still brown like me. And over here it's different over here as well because I did that one for one day, the middle one, and then I did the bed for another day. The tailgate, as you can see, it still looks bad. It's because it had a lot of dent and all that stuff. As you can see, all these holes over here, I had to grind them down and use a real spray paint on there. As you can see the difference over there, the front over there, I did about, did I say 12 layer? And from there and out right there, it looks brown. It's because I only used about, I did about 7 layer over there, so you can see the difference over there. There's a lot difference. All right, answering the question, how much did you spend? I spent about, let's just say I bought this from my local store over here. I spent about $276. That's how much I would have spent, a little bit less, a little bit more. But since I realized I was using a lot, so I went to Amazon. I got me $3 over there, which I got me 2 boxes of the white one, and then 1 box of the clear coat over there. So I used 16 cans of the white one and 7 of the clear coat over there. I would have used more or look better over here, but as you can see in the beginning, I had about 4 or 6 cans of those white one. Let's go ahead and let's take another look at her before everything. Right there, it's very rough. It looks bad. And everywhere. I guess one more shot, that's after. I know I told you in the beginning of the video I was going to paint here silver, but I decided not to. I decided to keep it white, just like this right now. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, like my video. All that, it is greatly appreciated here at each motor part. Once again, thank you and God bless the YouTuber and then the whole world, of course. Until next video. Ciao, ciao.